What's good, C3 fam? Hope everyone's doing good. Welcome to Borrowing with Al. All right, everyone, we had a lot of love in the last video, 4K in 4 minutes. Let's see if we can exceed expectations this time. We're gonna go with 5K, 50 seconds. Get your clocks ready. Let's begin. All right, if you missed it before, go ahead, click the link below. We have the video to walk you through how to get into the borrowing. We only have 50 seconds, so I can't walk you through it. Move on. We're gonna go right here. We're gonna go into finance, crypto lending. You click that, you go into borrow right here, and you're there. This is a competitive market. You wanna be able to get in during dumps like we are seeing right now, so I'm excited. I know that we're gonna hit our target right at 50 seconds because we are that cool. So we're gonna go with 0.077. Ooh, it's itching down to where we want. And what are we borrowing? We are borrowing 5K. Gotta love it. 28 days. Borrow USDT. We're getting close. I bet you we can get some of it at 79. We can wait a minute. Clock's ticking. All right. I'm going to hold you guys here. By the way, if you haven't already, please go ahead, click the links below, like, subscribe. If you like it, like it. Also, we appreciate you joining C3 fam. 7-9, let's send it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. That's how you borrow 5K in 50 seconds. Thank you, everyone, for joining Borrowing with Al.